Indigenous people of Meghalaya have had enough with these illegal Bangladeshis. And it is time that we stand together, and it is time to make a representative, a government to hear that enough is enough. Conrad Sangma goes to Dimahasau and says about and speaks about dilution of the provision of the sixth schedule. The question we want to ask him today here, what about the dilution that is going on in GHDC for the last 50 or 60 years? What have he done? His party is saying that the non-tribals have the right to contest and take votes in the election. Then what is the use of GHDC? Why do we need GHDC, the Government's Autonomous District Council? Why do we need the Kashmir's Autonomous District Council if it is meant for all the non-tribals and the tribals to take part in this district council? Conrad Sangma, if you speak about the dilution of the sixth schedule in Dimahasau, did you forget that you are the son of the soil from Garo Hills, the very district council that have been diluted its provision? Mr. Conrad Sangma, please don't be double-faced just for political benefits. If you are the leaders, we see you as a leader since you are leading the government of our state. We also want to see you to act as the son of the soil. And I hope you have not forgotten that you are the son of the soil from the Achik land or from Garo Hills. So act like one. When you speak about dilution of the GHDC has been going on now for the last 50 or 60 years, 70 years. What have you done? Now, when the Garo people, the Achik people are standing up to demand that this dilution will not be allowed to happen anymore, your party is saying that no, that is not constitutionally viable. Forget about constitutional viability or not. Forget about what happened in the last 70 years. Garo Hills Autonomous District Council is for the Garos and will be for the Garos, and the Garos will stand up and fight for that right.